on YouTube. My bloody Mary. We're gonna tighten up this shovel, you could call it. What up, Bubba? My shoes on. Let's go tighten this thing. Put a hat on here. Go to my shed. So this is a shovel. I don't know what kind of shovel it is. I just know that it's a shovel that needs to get... Oh, it's cracked. Is it? Oh, fuck. I was gonna make a video of tightening this. Well, I guess we can't. I don't know what to do now. But it's still a good shovel. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it. I'll bring it inside. So here, there's my John Deere D110, S130. I keep calling it a D110 because I used to have a D110. Go look back in my shorts, you'll see a beat up tractor. Why was it so beat up? Because whenever I bought it from, the guy didn't really take good care of it. So I'm trying to take care of this thing. If I see dirt on it, I clean it. If I see scrape marks, I'm trying to keep it nice as possible. This is a $2,900 John Deere here. So it has 300. See if I can show you. It has 63 hours and 0 minutes. You got your key. You got your choke. Got your parking brake. Got your stupid button every time you hit the PTO. Cruise control. That's my favorite feature. Cruise control and the pedals instead of using a manual gear thing. I would give it a start, but it's just a little bit too cold. It's not cold, it's too early. I know what we can do. We can organize my shit box. Guys, let me know what this is in the comments. If you don't know, it's a solenoid. It helps start these things. I'll show you guys in another video. Like and subscribe. It's beat up. You could say I'm a partaholic. I like collecting parts. Because you never know if you're ever going to need it. Like this. I found this tire can stuff at the fucking BP. I have a pump for fuel. I have wipes. I have parts cleaner. I use basically all this shit. Like all of it. Everything you would need, I use. And then I'm gonna actually use this for my other trailer of mine. Show you guys my toolbox. Oh yeah, I gotta get this back to one of my friends. I got that. I got oil things. Hold on a minute. It's so dark in the shed. Okay, then I got my scratch out. Fuck, can't think of the name. Buffer, you could say. My tape measure. A measuring stick. Anything you want, I got it in here. I got screwdriver. Flathead. Whatever this thing, another flathead. I got a whole bunch of flatheads. This thing to take off spark plugs off of leaf blowers and weed whippers. You can get those off of wine guards for like 10 bucks. Gripper thingies, that's what I call them. Found these ones in the garbage. They're actually from Sears. I have also another pair as well, but these ones ain't so good anymore. I might as well sell them as Like, I have so many of everything. Washers, you never know if you're gonna need washers. Talking about those, I'm actually gonna take them all out. I have like, these are garbage, they're trash. I'm actually gonna throw them out right now. Because I don't need them. They're junk. They're literally junk. I mean, they work. Oh, let's see. I mean, they get the job done. And I'm tossing them. Put them in the part box is what I... Then ratchets. This is my favorite ratchet. It's a, don't know what kind, but it's, a arm. I can't think of the name. I'm so dyslexic, I'm sorry. Then I got another one. I got these. Got all of it. And then Impact. This is my favorite tool with the nuts too. A solenoid starter, a light tester, a volt reader, and then these parts, these go to my deck for the tractor. I'm gonna make sure I keep them right there. Cause in the summertime, Emerson, me and you are gonna put it together. And then my Allen wrenches, you can buy these off Amazon for 15 bucks. They're called that. Don't know how you pronounce that. And then I got scissors, big scissors. Emerson, I'll sell this to you for 30 bucks. I never tried it yet. Well, if it works, I have to see, because I have like 2 of these. One of them I'm gonna get rid of, and one of them I won't. So, that's today's vlog. There really isn't anything interesting to do. And I'm gonna go fill up my other trailer. That's right over there. Both of the tires are flat. Well, not like too flat, but like this one. Oh, gotta shake it up. I hit my bad knee. I'll hook this up. Sorry if the camera's not. Oh, is that it? Oh, probably gotta let fucking air. Oh no, there's no air in this. It's so cold it won't. So this gets to sit in the house for a little bit. Oh my god, it's cold. I found this in the garbage. That's probably why it ain't working, so. These are like 12 bucks. Depending on where you get them. Oh my god. This is my first ever trailer. It's seen its days. It used to be all nice and white, but I spray painted it. Tire sensor safe. I always go off this shit. None of that slime, fucking dumb stuff. Inflate up to 15 tires. My bright flashlight. I got also more boxes. Gotta go take out. Gotta go throw these things away. Remember, guys, don't be a hoarder. Because once you turn into one, you can never unbe one. I wish it was summertime. I always wish it was wintertime, then once it's here, I'm not interested in anymore. These two gotta get tightened. The grounds. So, yeah, the ground needs to warm up before I hammer any of those in. Yeah, I did all this work. It's not the best, but it's better than just having straight dirt. I need to fill it up with more rocks next year. One more layer of rock should help this. I got a hammer. I got a blade that goes to a push mower, and also I got this other one too. We have Emerson. I still have your blade. Ow! Mary. I have my own little spot here for stuff. I'm gonna buy some more compost bins next year. Let's go pick up some poop. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Sorry I didn't introduce myself. This is Derek Lawn Snow. I do boring shit, but... And, yeah. Make sure you guys go and like You Grow It, We Mow It, Emerson's Lawn Care. That should be your new name, Emerson. Emerson's Lawn Care. Like mine's Derek's Lawn and Snow. So it's more easy to remember. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video. Got really nothing to really show. That hurts from this tripod. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.